Peace and blessings to all my kings and queens and my royals. Welcome to anyone new here. Thanks for subscribing and hitting the bell. You're in the right place. This is a negative-free zone where we do not criticize others for their opinions. If you do, your comment will be deleted. If you got something against what I'm talking about, same thing. So, let's get it on. As promised yesterday, um, actually today, it depends on when you watch this. I was gonna talk about our youth and their dreadlock journey. And my main goal in talking about this is because I have a daughter that's 11 years old, and she at first at 8 decided that she wanted to be like mommy, or mummy as she called me, and she wanted to have Nazi dreadlocks. Um, then she changed her mind after a certain grade in school because all the girls were wearing braids and they were doing different styles and they were doing different colors and they was doing this and they was doing that. And I was just like, oh God, really? Can we just like get over this phase? But we haven't. She's decided that no, she doesn't want to do dreads because she doesn't want to have to, if her hair grows long, she doesn't want to have to cut off all her hair. She loves my hair. She absolutely adores my hair. She does. She's very happy about seeing me as a Nazi dread. However, it's just not for her right now. So what I want to know, those of you who have youths that already have Nazis and that you started them off at birth or so, how do they feel about it now? How do you feel about it now? I mean, is it cool? They just got to roll with it or whatever? Or if they decided one day they woke up and said, you know what? I don't look like none of my friends, and I actually really want to get like a relaxer, or I want to get like a shortcut or something like that. How would you react to that? How would you deal with that type of stuff? I myself, I really, 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 really wish that my daughter would have gone ahead and let me dread her hair as I started off doing, and stuck with it. Because individualism is everything. You don't have to be like the next person. You don't have to be like anybody else. Be like yourself and just love yourself and appreciate yourself for your uniqueness. And if there's any children that want to chime in with their parents, that's fine. Just let me know, how do you feel about it if you already have Nazi dreadlocks and you have an opinion about that. Again, my daughter is 11, so she's at the age when she's going through the tween stage or whatever, and she just she's been influenced by television, which I hate. She's been influenced by children at school. Again, I hate. I'm not gonna say I hate. I dislike. I'm not gonna hate is a very harsh word. I dislike. What age is a good age to say, okay, this is the time. Do you want to go ahead and do this? Or if they say that they want to do it, but then they later on change their mind, what do you think is a good age to say, hey, wait and see if this is really something that you want to do later on down the line. Don't do it now. Later on down the line, if this is something that you want to do, cool. But if you started off their Nazis at birth, they don't really have like that much of a choice. I mean, 9 times out of 10, they're going to respect it. They're going to appreciate it. They're going to love it. My daughter, to this day, she still says, Mom, they all think that, you know, you have super long hair. And for some reason, and this bothers me a great deal, um, because they equate having super long hair and being fair skinned with being Caucasian. Do I have Caucasian in my family? Of course I do. Is my hair super long or whatever because of that? Of course not. Otherwise, it wouldn't be as nappy as it is. As happy as it is. It wouldn't. I mean, It's just a different texture, and it mats up fast. Um. So I really would appreciate it if my daughter would just go ahead and just be a unique, be an individual. She doesn't have to have Nazi dreads. She can go ahead and do whatever it is that she wants, but don't sit up and copy or mock anybody else because of what they're doing. Do what you want to do because you want to do it. She always says, Mom, your hair is so long. Mom, your hair is so long. Mom, your hair is so long. It's so long. And it's like, it's not about the length, it's about the health, it's about what it's about. You know, why I did this, why I went this route. Because I showed her pictures of me before I started growing my hair. Long before I started growing. I had platinum blonde hair. It was about down to here. It was short. To me, that's short. It was short. And I just started just taking individual pieces and twisting, 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 twisting. And eventually all that broke off, all the color, because I was platinum blonde. All that broke off, and now I'm left with, with this. So, my question is, and I'm going to keep this video short because I just did one before this. Do you think that children should have the decision in saying whether or not they want to go this route? Or do you think that you, in being a parent, you're in total control over what it is that they have, what it is that they do, what it is, how it is that their hair looks and all of that. I keep saying, it's just, it's baffling to me because I don't know what to do. I only have one child. I have one daughter. I wanted more than one, but I have one. Thank God. And she's 11. And she likes to do her own thing. She likes to be her own person. And it's good to be an individual and to be, whatever. But she's an individual when it comes down to me. But when she goes to school, it's like, yeah, but so-and-so had red and brown and black braids. And why can't I have that? And it's like, first of all, why would you want that? And why would you want to mimic that person? And second of all, I mean, what's wrong with what you see at home? What's wrong with what you see at home? Because you've been seeing me like this since you've been in this world. Since you opened your eyes, you were able to see that mommy had Nazi dreads. So, it's no pressure whatsoever. I just want to know what are your thoughts about it? What are your thoughts about it? Do your kids have Nazis? What age did they start? Did you start them off at birth? I mean, once they grew enough hair to start off at birth, or how can I put this? When did you allow them to make the decision as to when they decide that, or they decided that that's what they wanted to do? Because I'm having issues with this. I'm having major issues with this. Maybe we can help one another. Maybe your comment can help somebody else maybe, just me putting it out here can help somebody else. But the main thing is trying to figure out, like, when do we give them that break to where they can be creative and be, how can I say, be creative and be who it is that they want to be, in time. Um, um, Sometimes I wish that she would have went ahead and did it, and then sometimes I'm glad that she just, can speak up for herself and say, no, this is not what I want right now. It's cool. At first I thought I wanted it, and now I know that I don't. So if you have a child out there that has Nazis, leave a comment down below. Let me know when they started. Let me know how they feel about it now. Let me know if you ever had to cut it off. Let me know everything that you have to deal with children growing up with Nazi dreads. Okay? Please watch all the rest of my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I mean, not just, subscribe to this channel for sure. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell if you haven't already done so. Go to my Facebook page. Check it out. I got more pictures and stuff up there than before. Google Plus, I heard that they're like changing directions or about to close down or shut down or whatever. But check out my Google Plus. But if not Google Plus, go to Instagram. I have more pictures up there at Instagram. So yes, that is it for today. I'm just trying to keep this video short. I love you all. I appreciate you all for rocking with me. I'm trying to put out as many videos as I can while I'm feeling it. I have a lot of work to do. I need to be in my studio. Actually, right now, I just was waiting on something. Um, but this is a big part of my life too. Also, I want to know, leave a comment down below if you would like to see vlogs with me and my family. Me, you hear about Lucky Osiris, the pit bull, my daughter, Isis BK as well. Both share the same middle name. Isis BK. Do you want to see what we do on a daily basis? I mean, not just like every day, but just like every now and then. And that way you can see how we roll a little bit. If so, I'm investing in the camera already. I already done started investing. I just want to make sure that that's something that you all would like to see on this channel, or if it really matters. Do you just like seeing me sit right here and not moving around? I think that if you saw me from different angles or whatever, then you can see, how I roll. If that is something that you would like, thumbs up the video, leave a comment down below, let me know. Leave all your comments, period, that you have about this video down below. Peace and blessings. I love you. Much love and light and balance and truth and loyalty, humility, humbleness.